Happy Tuesday. I am Taryn Reed, and here is a look at our Local 15 Quickcast, and we are kicking it off with a look at your forecast with meteorologist Jake Dunn.
Well, good Tuesday morning. A lot of rain last night and more coming. In fact, 80% chance of showers and storms today and tomorrow, and then we'll drop off the chance as we head towards Christmas.
And at another table, Joe was being taken out to lunch.
Read me the appetizers.
Fried cheese with club sauce. Popcorn shrimp with club sauce. Chicken fingers
Stop it, you're making me dizzy.
with spicy club sauce.
Honey, stop it.
Joe? Hola, class. Hola. Time for our presentations. First up was supposed to be Jeff and Pierce, but Pierce explained the situation. Apparently there was a falling out, things were set, people were betrayed. Jeff, having heard Pierce's side of the story, I think the only humane thing to do would be to give you a C and let Pierce do his presentation on that. If that sounds fair to you. That doesn't sound fair to me at all. Pierce, I understand if you don't want to be my friend. But this thing that we've created, it is bigger than the both of us, and it deserves to be done right. Okay, guys, why are there costumes involved in your short conversations? They're not supposed to take your breath away.